Yeah, yeah. No. Yeah, we can tell you something. I know a place has really changed my life. Some know it as an island paradise. It's nice for those who have money, but for some struggle it's a way of life. Come make me spend a little time in a Jamaica. I make me spend a little money in a Jamaica. And don't be tricked by what you're earning on the media. We can take a trip and left the tourist area. Jamaica is a place you need to experience. The all-inclusive holiday thing that no make sense. You need to left from the hotel complex. Find some friend who know the place and make a couple flex. Come we go out west and pick some flowers from the garden. Round a passa, them a dance until a morning. Sent from the jerk pan, it told me through me red. Me stop and buy some jerk chicken and some ando. Come make we link some friends in a Jamaica. I make we visit some friends in a Jamaica. But don't be vexed if a man a beg you for a little thing. Money is a problem in a Jamaica. We get the highest of the high in a Jamaica. Eat the nicest food in a Jamaica. And you will meet some girls in a Jamaica who make you never wanna leave from Jamaica. Jamaica is an island in the Caribbean. Population of 2.something million. A 14 parish make up the island. Them say out of many Jamaicans are one. But what an island full of contradiction. Plagued for so long by politics fiction. Rich man have a house way up in the hills. For the poor man is all about survival skills. Most foreign money spent up at the north coast. People afraid of downtown where they need it the most. We are go visit some places. See what Jamaican them a face on a day-to-day basis. Spend with the eagle them we hustle out a road. Every man in the country bus we town overloaded. Spend with the youth who sell the star and next news out of the stoplight in the sun hot. Still the money not right. So life's in a Jamaica. The system set away in a Jamaica. Some people hungry like dog and life gets so hard. Enough one get away from Jamaica. Go have the time of your life in a Jamaica. You might find a husband or a wife in a Jamaica. We see the media them a fight against Jamaica. It's only crime them highlight in a Jamaica. The youth them in a the garrison say nothing not go on. When you see the suffer and a bad treat them with no scorn. Cause things and time really getting slow. It's only reggae and dance and make the money flow. Jamaica people full of talent always set a lot of trends. Never get to reap the dividends. Big up the great Bob Marley as the reggae legend. But the boat gone left them again. So make we spend some time in a Jamaica. I make we spend a little money in a Jamaica. And don't be tricked by what you're earning on the media. We can take a trip and left the tourist area. Come make we link some